Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add all border color into table cell in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first open your Chrome browser, then open your Apple Keynote software. Now I have already opened my presentation. Now you can choose any slide on the presentation. Now I am go to the slides. Now I am already inside a table. Now you can insert table to go table menu and choose another table. Now insert plain table. Now firstly select a cell and you can see here are border menu. Now here are all border option. Now click this all border and click border style drop down menu. Now you can choose 3pt or add border cell color. Now click this and choose this color. Now I'm in case border style. Now firstly click here and select all. You can write anything 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 etc. Now write 8 and press enter on your keyboard. Now add border color another cell. Now firstly you want to go to the another cell and you can write 6 and press enter on your keyboard and change the color. Add the color on the border. Now add this color. Now you can see add border color into table cell very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.